are things that you can do every single day to stay frugal. I'm pretty sure I was born frugal. So today I'm going to share with you the 9 things that I do every single day to save our household budget. Hi everybody, my name is Sarah. Thanks so much for joining me today. Let's get right to it. The first one, the most important one, make your own coffee. Now, if you've been around for more than just a minute, you know that I love coffee. And 1 cup is just never enough. So we actually make a whole pot of coffee. My husband and I drink a pot of coffee every morning. We probably don't drink the whole pot. We might, but let's say we don't. The point is that we make our coffee. We make a pot of coffee instead of going out to have coffee with friends, going through the drive-thru at Starbucks, or even using K-cups. This is the most economical way that we know of to drink coffee. Now, it would be a little bit more economical if we limited our coffee consumption to 1 cup per person. We're still working on that. Number 2, keep the heat low. Now, during my video on how to save on electricity, I was talking about this. I'll leave an iCard above for you if you were interested in seeing that video. We keep our heat low. We are normally not in the main living areas of the house during the week, during the day. So there's really no reason to keep those areas heated to a comfortable 71 degrees. Our house is also small. One of the comments in that other video was that high ceilings, big houses, older homes take a lot longer to come up to heat, which is a very good point. If you have a house like that, it might be cheaper for you to actually leave it at a consistent temperature. We have a small house, lower ceilings, so it doesn't take too much to raise that temperature up. It actually saves us money by lowering our heat. I just wanted to pause real quick right here and thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you watching, and if you like this kind of stuff and you're having a great time, please subscribe. If you're really having a great time, hit that bell so YouTube can notify you when new videos come out. Number 3, I check my bank account every single day. You might want to call me a control freak, and I'm okay with that. But I want to know that the money that's supposed to come out is coming out, the money that's not supposed to come out isn't coming out, and there are no surprises. I can keep right on top of that. If I need to transfer money around, this way I know exactly how much money we have and how much money needs to be transferred into savings. Number 4, I drink water. I don't drink as much as I should. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. I'm trying a lot to drink more water. I have these fantastic glass jars with a straw that I absolutely love. I've been trying a lot harder to drink more water. It's just better for me. I feel better. I know I feel better. Less coffee, more water. It also saves money. I'm not drinking something else. I'm not drinking juices or lemonades, iced teas or sodas or coffee. I'm just drinking water. It's good for my body. And it's good for my bank account. Number 5, I plan and pre-prep dinner every single morning. I look at my meal plan, I go down to the basement, I take the frozen things out of the freezer and I bring them upstairs. Every day I know that I have something planned and semi-prepared for the evening meal. This way it doesn't leave any room to squeeze in a pizza delivery. Every once in a while it happens. The roast that I pulled out of the freezer, for some weird reason, hasn't completely defrosted. What are we gonna do? Well, there's always pizza. I mean, it happens. It's rare, but it happens. Every morning I'm tuned in to what's for dinner. Even if it's leftovers or even if I've got something that I need to use up in the refrigerator, I already know that and I'm ready to throw those things together to make it happen. Number 6, go for a walk. Think of the amount of money that you save on gym memberships. I mean, walking is free. If you spend $35 a month on a gym membership, and you go every single day, it's a little over $1 a day. That's a great bargain. That's a great deal. But many of us do not go every day. We're lucky if we get there 3 days a week. Some people pay the $35 for once a week to go to a Zumba class. The point is really that walking outside is free. And it might be a little bit of a challenge during hard winters or hot summers, but YouTube is also free. And there are so many fantastic walking videos and exercise workouts on YouTube that you can get for free. Number 7, one of my favorites, stay home. I know, I'm a homebody, and I know that there are a lot of extroverts out there who really need and crave that human interaction. I have my family, and I go out once a week, and I talk to the people in line at Target, and I'm okay with that. That's just enough for me. I save money by staying home. Number 8, eat leftovers. I touched on this a little bit when I was talking about dinner, but just about every single day for lunch, I eat leftovers. I love this time of year. It's kind of cold and winter is looming. To make a big pot of soup and separate that out into smaller containers, or not, just take it right out of the pot, warm it up for lunch every day. I am a big fan of soup this time of year. It's cheap to make, it's cheaper than sandwich meat, and it just makes me feel all warm inside. It's a cheaper alternative. Number 9, one of my favorite things to do in the entire world is read. I love to read. There was a while there where I had gotten away from it, and I really found that I missed it a lot. Normally, when we go camping and when we go on vacation, I'll read fiction. That's my time to read, or summertime. Most of the time, I'm reading nonfiction, personal development. Atomic Habits is on the docket right now. Anything that has to do with business, I love that stuff. It also stops me from watching things like Netflix or shopping on Amazon. Reading saves me money. And even better, if you can read on a Kindle with the Libby app from the library, it'll save you even more. If you're a physical book lover like I am, then borrowing books from friends, families, and even neighbors or the library is the key to saving money on books. Okay, that's my 9 tips that I try to do every single day. I hope you found some useful information here. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.